Buddhakshetra and Zen Buddhism from the 20th of the 8th month of 1446. Bring the pure land to this earth. Cultural acceptance is not our worth. Don't distract a soul in its mirth. It is not about an individual lasting, but a consciousness and method beyond our girth. Just one sincere moment counts, be it with the recorded or for a being. Those who have reached enlightenment are the best to guide our meditation, but they are not the focus for devotion, lest we fall into enhancing contradictions. Empathy comes through discipline. Spirituality comes more in experience than scripture. Journeys of life continue to presence and conjecture. And one of the things about that is, okay, a name for the Pure Land Buddhism would be Pinyin or Jingtus Zong. And what I mean about scripture is that even if the scriptures are purely transmitted and they come from the best of sources, it's still in what we do with it.